Yawa naman to. Oh shit. God damn it. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta wreck your body. Gotta take it's gonna rock your fang. I'm gonna wreck your body. Gonna wreck your body. Okay guys, let's go mates. You betray me, idiota. Fuck you, Dimitri. Nudge me, BT idiot. Fuck you, jackal. Linis Nico. Fuck you, Dimitri. I trusted you, bitch. But you betray me, asshole. Counter-terrorist wing. Nice bear. And I'm gonna play Sneakerbilly. You idiota. You motherfucker, pushil na kuj mudак. And I got you, asshole. You son of a bitch. Pushil na kuj mudак. Fuck you, Mikael. Fuck you, Dimitri. Fuck you, Vladimir Blabo. Fuck you. Karkovic. Every villain of GTA 4 on the Pacific. And you betray me, motherfuckers. Hurrah! My name is Nico. The last change map. Reloading. You motherfucking piece of shit. Gotcha now, loser. Using only my AK. Hurrah! You motherfucker. You kill your friend. Oh, fuck you, asshole. Let's go, hurrah! Change map. Change map, bitch. I almost killed you, motherfucker. But I already chose the castle na lang. Sniper mission. Headshot Dimitri. One shot, one kill, motherfuckers. Tagos ang bala. Territory. Oh, you killed my friend. I'm protecting my fortress. No boy. Yay! One shot, one dead, you motherfucker! Until I killed my friend. Until I killed my enemies. Oh, you son of a bitch! I killed my friend. It wasn't my fault. False alarm. Guys, kapag hindi pa kayo mag-subscribe na kayo bago pa ako magawa ng bagong channel. And I will see you guys. Bye! At huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-click ng bell button, icon at marami pang iba. Hanapin niyo lang ako, ang GM Gunner Z, at mag-subscribe ka lang. Bye! Yoo!